Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks access. Sign into your PlayStation Network account on the Ps5. Make sure your firmware is current and your internet is stable. Once signed in, verify you have PS Plus or Cloud Save permissions. This is required for official cloud storage. Next, go to Settings, then Save Data and Game/App Settings. Make sure auto-upload or manual upload is enabled. This gets the console ready to access and sync cloud storage without interruption. Once done with prerequisites, navigate directly to Save Data and Game/App Settings. Choose Save Data PS5 and pick Cloud Storage so you can view remote saves. Make sure to select the correct user profile. Cloud items are account-specific. Now compare console storage with cloud storage and decide whether to download or upload. Choose Download to retrieve a cloud save to your console. If a game uses multiple slots, use Manage Saved Data to target the exact file you need. To finish, download the desired cloud save and then launch the game to confirm progress. If prompted about conflicts, read prompts closely. Choose Overwrite only if you're sure. Otherwise, keep both to avoid data loss. Make sure auto-upload is re-enabled so future saves sync automatically. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into PSN, check PlayStation Network status, reboot the PS5, and retry the upload or download. This sequence fixes most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.